Don't.
Let's all hide in here and wait out like containment.
My dick, I got lotion on my dick right now.
Yo,
My shit.
yeah.
Just sit in the corner for 15 minutes.
That's gay. There's nothing.
I jerk off to Skibidi
Let's just all
toilet.
sit here. Fuck it. I'm down.
His smile is so fucking hot. Oh my god. Oh, the voices are getting louder. Help me. God, I want to put it inside of that toilet and make him beg. Whenever I see Skibidi toilet, cum comes out like a waterfall. Whenever my classmates say anything related to toilets, the entire school gets flooded with cum everywhere. The Fook Boom is truly the best artist of all time.
Fuck, man.
I used to tickle my pickle to Angry Birds. When I was about 13, I loved Angry Birds. I had every game and bought every toy they had. One day, I was playing Angry Birds when all of a sudden the big red bird turned me on. I couldn't stand it. I was going crazy. I decided to pull out my big snake and start strangling it. I never had felt so good. I soon continued to do this daily and never got bored of it.
What the fuck?
I'm glad to admit I still do this to this very day.
I saw the biggest Angry Bird. He said I had to strangle it. That's a
I need to
nut.
lock this motherfucker up.
Bro, I heard someone just nut everywhere.
Oh, yeah, I heard that too.